Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. It's now been about almost a week and a half since I brought in the Zenfone 9, and I got to tell you really quick before I get into this product review, this little guy here is amazing. Larger than life in the smartphone world. Just amazing in so many ways. But when you look at those cameras, that's really what gets your attention, even though there's so much goodness going on with the overall design and what's going on underneath the hood. Those cameras are just freaking amazing. They just look super cool, and they take great pictures and shoot great quality video. So I wanted to protect those cameras. I brought in some camera protectors here. I think they're film. I purchased over at Amazon, and let me get the information here. I will leave a link down below in the description area. I will also leave a link for this clear case that came with a black case. I'm sporting this guy right now to protect my investment, but man, that color right there, that's red. That's red, man. The texture, mattish, leatherish, and it just feels good. It looks good, but yeah, we need to protect those cameras. Visit the AROC store. 4-piece camera lens protector compatible with Zenfone 9, 5.9 inch, 1080p display, beautiful AMOLED display, flexible glass camera cover, scratch resistant, full coverage, 4H hardness, HD clear camera lens film, $7.99, and you can actually get an extra 10% off when checking out. So yeah, I wanted to protect those cameras, and what I'm going to do is put this clear case back on and use the cutouts there as a guide. So hopefully that'll work. Hopefully I don't mess it up. You do get two sets. One set for both cameras, and then the other set for in case you mess it up for again, both those huge cameras. Let me just say this. If you're still on the fence in picking up the Zenfone 9, and you can shop around at many different various places online to buy the Zenfone 9. I would shop around and go with the best deal. But in my opinion, it's a thumbs up. It's a go. If you can live without wireless charging and a telephoto camera, then you're ready for this device. Seriously. Look at those cameras, man. 50 megapixel regular wide and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. No telephoto shooter. The 50 megapixel shooter, a lot taller than this guy right down here. And what's nice about this case is that the cutouts protect both cameras. Yeah, man, if you can live without wireless charging and a telephoto camera, like I said, it's a go. That's my opinion. And that's what they look like.
Boy, you gotta be very, very patient. You know what? Nope, that's not gonna work.
So you can see with the case, plenty of lip up top and at the bottom here with the 50 megapixel shooter and your 12 megapixel shooter ultra wide there. So yeah, plenty of lip, plenty of depth with the camera protectors. That definitely makes me feel a lot better about those huge cameras. I do have the other cases here, so let me go ahead and show you. This case came with this case. Again, that link will be down below in the description area. Thing is with this case, and you can sport a lanyard, is that you do get some protection here with this camera, but not with this one. You can see the edge of that 50 megapixel shooter. But you do have that extra protection now with the camera protector. It's just right around the edges here is my concern if I was to drop it on the ground. But if you want something a little bit more minimal, you can switch out between these two. And then we have the case that came with the Zenfone 9 in the box. You do have a little bit of a lip there, and with that camera protector. Yeah, I'm digging that. Thing is, you don't get any coverage up top, at the bottom, and right in here where your side-mounted power button fingerprint sensor located in the volume rocker. But if you want something that's really minimalistic and it's going to look sweet, and that's a matte type texture back there, yeah, I would feel better about using this case now. I mean, I'm pretty good with holding on to my devices. You know, I would concern me with these open areas, but I'm sure I can deal with that. But I feel better with having those camera protectors with those cutouts there. Yeah, I'm going to use this today and see how I do with it. But for $7.99, save an extra 10% off. I say these are a go. Let's go ahead and take a picture. Make sure I don't get any kind of issues with those camera protectors when taking a picture. And everything looks fine. Everything looks great. I don't see any issues whatsoever. That's nice. Okay. Again, it's a go. All the information that I've shared with you with these products will be down below in the description area. And with that, thanks for watching. God bless you all. Peace. Yeah, I'm loving this guy.